All right, let's look at 17, first triangle problem. The instructions say that the triangles are in the first quadrant. So you can go ahead and draw your triangles. Now, cosine of x is 12 over 37. If you look on your formula sheet, cosine's formula is x over r. So 12 goes on the x-axis, 37 is your radius. We got to find the other side, so we do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I'm going to do that real quick. I think we did this one yesterday. I think y'all said it was 35. Let's see. 37 squared minus 144 equals 35. All right, so this side's 35. All right, that one's done. Go over here. Triangle's in the first quadrant. Formula for sine is y over r. That means 15 goes on the y-axis, 17 goes here. I think y'all said that was 8. Let's check it. 17 squared minus 15 squared. Yeah, it's 8. All right, so now, once you get your triangle set up, you can do the problem. Remember, cosine of x minus y has a formula. Cosine of x minus y. It's cosine x, cosine y, plus sine x and sine y. I've already got it written down. All right, so also remember, they are giving us two of our answers. Cosine of x is 12 over 37. So I can put 12 over 37 there. Sine of y is 15 over 17. So I can put 15 over 17 here. So I got to find cosine of y. Remember, we always write our triangles where they're in order. The first one's the x, the second one's the y. So when it says cosine of y, come over here. Cosine is x over r, so that'll be 8 over 17. All right, sine of x is over here. Now sine is y over r, so that's going to be 35 over 37. All right, to find the answer for that, you just type it in. Type it all in the calculator. Let's see what we get. All right, just takes time. 12 over 37 times 8 over 17 plus 35 over 37 15 over 17. You guys have a calculator at home to do these two problems. If not, you'll just have to copy what I'm writing up here. All right, my answer is, yesterday we got decimals every time. This time I got a fraction, 621 over 629. That's your answer on 17. All right, pause it if you need to. Otherwise, we're going to go to 18. All right, this time they want us to find sine of x plus y, so we'll have to write down a different formula. All right, my first triangle. Remember, it says triangles are in the first quadrant, so it's got to go in this spot. Cosine is x over r. We should have that memorized by now. 4 goes here, 5 goes here. So 5 squared minus 4 squared is 25 minus 16. That's 9. All right, so that one's got to be 3. That was an easy one. We can do that one in our head. Probably can't do this one in our head, although I think we had that on the last problem. It was 35. So sine is y over r. So 12 goes here, 37 goes here. Pretty sure we did that on the last problem. It was 35. I'm going to check. Yes, it was 35. So we'll just cheat and use that number again. All right, so I wrote down the formula. Let me make sure I got it right. Sine of x plus y. Sine x cosine y plus cosine x and sine y. Okay? All right, so sine of x. Well, remember, let's go ahead and use the ones they're giving us. They're giving us cosine of x is 4/5, so I can put that here. And sine of y is 12 over 37. I can put that there, so now I just got to find these two. All right, sine of x, I know sine is y over r, so it's 3 over 5. Cosine of y is 35 over 37. All right, so if you don't have a calculator, I'll calculate it for you and we'll write our answer. 5, boom, boom, 35 over 37, plus 4 over 5, 12 over 37. All right, and again, I got a fraction 153 over 185. All right, see y'all tomorrow.